Don't be so modest.
Yeah, I do.
No, I have to be.
I have to be modest or people won't like me.
That's true. There's nothing else going for me.
All right, it's Jesus time.
As many of you know, I recently purchased a bolt-action shotgun for $100 on Easter Sunday, which was probably the best decision I've ever made. So this is the shotgun. It's a J.C. Higgins 538 1102. I can't put Magnum rounds through it. The only rounds I can put through it are standard shotgun shells, which are 2 3/4. The only problem is this is a $100 gun. It was made sometime in between the 40s and the 50s, and I'm genuinely afraid that it might blow up if I shoot a slug through it. So, I'm gonna rig up a whole trap here, basically, to protect myself if this gun does explode when I shoot it. Alright, so this is what we got going here. I have some bricks over there set up. I'm gonna put the gun over there mounted and tie a string around the trigger and pull the string behind this pallet from many, many feet away. Alright, so this is the setup I got here. I have my J.C. Higgins set up behind a cinder block and some rocks on a piece of wood with some string tied around the trigger. I'm going to move my pallet back probably around to where that fire pit is. Alright, so we're all set up here, way back there. I'm going to load the gun now. So the gun is chambered, taking the safety off. Alright, this will be fun. Alright, so it's all set up down there. Hopefully it should work. It looks alright. Let's go find out. Alright, not bad. She's good? Nice.
What are we doing?
Making paper airplanes.
Oh, I'm so good at making paper airplanes, but I forgot how to do it.
Alright. Why use a plane when you can use bombs?
You guys like my boat?
You guys like my boat?
You guys like my boat?
Watch your eyes. I mean,
I'm allergic to paper.
cereal!
Please do not post that.
Yeah!
This book sucks.
I'm sorry the video is so short because Brian and all his little silhouette friends are going to
Where's Washington,
Washington
all of
D.C.
us?
to sing in a church.
You said from Washington D.C. was? Like
Washington
6 hours,
D.C. is
5
on the
hours.
West Coast.
On the West Coast.
Yeah,
Are we
on the West
flying or
Coast.
taking a bus?
The United States.
Taking a bus.
Are you stupid?
We're riding a bus to Washington on the West
JB,
Coast.
you act like we haven't done this. Like, you've never done this before? You've done it like 3 times already.
You went to Washington D.C. with us.
It was like enough weight
Just
in the
bleep out every
hotel
time
room for you. Bring up these. It's a hotel.
You might want to bring a few 45s.
Cause I gotta go look.
What are you guys
man.
saying? Like a
come
regular
up.
hotel?
How come we have to
Perch
wake
a
up?
pill!
GB.
This whole part needs to be cut.
Yeah, you're gonna have to edit that out, Brian. I don't know the part where GB says you.
Yeah, honestly.
All right, Josh, give a farewell address. Talk. No, you gotta talk about why neutrality is good and talk about why neutrality is important.
To all a good night.
It's not.
GB's done.
That's it.
One more.